now it's 4 o'clock. Where's the license? Where's the license? Where's the license? Please, just come out. No, look, where's the door handle? Come out, sir.
Hello, officer.
Sir, I'm gonna charge you. This guy's got no license, he's got no indicator and everything.
I'm sorry, officer. I'm just helping out here. The car belongs to him.
It belongs to him. And who are you?
Mina, Benson Chirwadi.
ID.
Oh. Niyezwa ke manduni. Bathi le moto bazoyibhalisa liganyeni lami. Kulungile.
Enza Chirwali enza.
Later. Benson Chiwale, I'm gonna charge both of you.
Hey, what's on up, eh?
You can use a car like this.
Good.
Whoa, man. Aha. Hey, home out. Huh? Aha. Vula put. Vula put. Open, vula. Open. Hey, hey. I put you move a back. Vula back, man. Open back.
Hey, what about the man? Let's back some woman. I was behind the dinner. Full of a sugar. Yeah.
Bekara, wazi kuti kanjani wena? Awusispene kopra. Awuna right yokumisa le moto man. Please man. Baba Makiza. Yeah, munike lento le. Simkomise kuti maspene kopra sinikile ngadi.
Hawu. Kodwa Matsingwane. Utheni lento unomona nje xa umuntu eziphucula ethenga imoto yakhe as far as I'm concerned.
Wow. Hey, boss. Start him car, go.
So what's all now?